So this is the before and this is the after. Hey everyone, this is Phantom back with another customization video, and today I'm going to be customizing Pop! OS 20.10 and make it look like this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is install kde-plasma-desktop on Pop! OS, because that way I can do a lot of customization once I have kde-plasma-desktop environment installed. So to install kde-plasma-desktop, I have to go to the terminal and clear everything. Now I'm going to type sudo apt update, put my password, clear that. Now sudo apt upgrade, press Y, press enter. Now this is going to take a few minutes. So once this is done, I'm going to just clear that and type sudo apt install kde plasma desktop, put my password, press enter, and this is gonna take a few minutes, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna press OK and I'm gonna choose ZDM3, and this is gonna finish installing kde-plasma-desktop. So guys, once this is done, I'm gonna just restart my computer and I'm gonna just choose kde-plasma from the login screen, and that's it. So guys, I'm at the login screen right now and I'm going to just click my name on it, I mean my username, and then I'm going to go to this wheel sign at the right bottom corner, and from here I'm going to select plasma and then just type my password. Okay guys, so we are in Plasma Desktop now and I'm going to just start the customization. So I'm going to start up by installing a dock. So I'm going to go to the browser, and this is going to be a floating dock. So I'm going to type latte dock, go to this GitHub page, and I'm going to just quickly download the zip file of the dock. Click save file, click OK, and it has downloaded the zip file. Now I'm gonna scroll down and here I'm gonna click on installation instruction. Click on that and I'm gonna scroll down again and I'm gonna copy this command, go to the terminal, paste it, press enter, type my password, press enter. Now copy this second command, paste it over here, press enter. By the way, I will put the link of these pages in the description below. Now let's copy the third command and paste it, press enter, and now this fourth command, copy that and let's just clear this first and paste it, press enter, press Y. Okay, so once it's done, I'm gonna go to the browser again and I'm gonna search for kubuntu dependency. Go to this page, community.kde, scroll down, and from here I'm gonna just quickly copy this whole thing over here. So let me explain you a little bit. What I'm doing right now is I'm installing some dependencies for this desktop environment which will help to run the latte dock. So I'm gonna just copy this and go to the terminal, clear this, paste it over here, press enter, and it is showing me that these 4 packages right over here, and it says unable to locate package this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these 4 packages and then install those again. So I'm going to go to the text editor and paste those commands here again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this package names one by one and search it over here. So I'm gonna press on my keyboard Control F and paste the name over here, and it will search the package name for me. So I'm gonna just quickly remove that, go to the terminal again, copy the second one, copy, go here, Control F, paste, this is the one, delete that, copy, Control F, paste, remove it, and the last one, copy, Control F, paste. So this is the last one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this whole edited new command here and copy that and go to the terminal, clear everything and paste it over here, press enter, press Y, and as you can see it is showing me no error this time. So I'm going to close this one. What this is going to do is it is going to install some dependencies for the desktop environment, and by doing this we're not going to have any issues while installing the latte dock. By the way, it is a floating dock, and if I want I could have just installed it in the terminal by just typing, let me just show you. If I just typed sudo apt install latte dock, it would have installed a latte dock as well, but this version of latte dock does not float. I think this is the older version. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna directly install the latte dock from the GitHub page, and this way I'm gonna get the newest version, and this newest version have the option to make that dock float, which I very much like and looks very aesthetic. So yeah, so I'm gonna just wait for this to finish and I'm gonna continue the tutorial after that. So it took like 10 minutes to finish, so I'm gonna just close that and go to the downloads folder. And by the way, let's just close the browser because we don't need that now. So let's go to the downloads folder, and this is the latte dock zip file that I have downloaded. Let's go ahead and quickly unzip that, extract the file. So I'm gonna right click, extract to, select. So this is the folder that I have extracted, and inside the folder I'm gonna right click, open in terminal, and here I'm gonna just type sh install.sh, press enter, and it is gonna start installing the latte dock. Guys, these are not that hard to do, it just takes some time, and as you can see I'm just copying and pasting the commands, so this is not that difficult to do. So let's just wait for it to finish, and I hope this works perfectly. Okay, so I think it is done. I hope everything worked perfectly. So I'm gonna search for a latte now, latte, click on it, and where is the dock? It should be here. This is gonna take some time, and here it is. So I'm gonna close the terminal. So as you can see, this is our latte dock, and this does not look good, so I'm gonna do some tweaking now. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this old panel aside. So let's move it on the left side. So I'm gonna do some tweaking now. I'm gonna right click, edit dock, and I'm gonna go to advanced. Then let's do some tweaking. So go to appearance. So this is how you can make it float. So go to the screen option, which is under this margin section. So I'm gonna just turn it up, and as you can see, the dock is floating now. I mean, it's not stuck to the edge. So I'm gonna go full background, turn down the opacity, turn the radius up to 100%, add some shadows. This looks fine. Let's see what else. So this will work for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this new dock, and I'm gonna add a new dock which is gonna be on the top. So as you can see, it is on the left side now. So I'm gonna right click, edit dock. I don't know if you can see this or not, but this white box over here is the new dock that I just created, not this old one. Let me just remove it so that you can see it clearly and don't get confused. So I'm gonna remove it on the right side. Okay, so this is the new dock that I have just created on the left side, this white portion. I'm gonna right click, edit dock. Okay, first of all, let's put it on the top. Okay, so it is on the top, and I'm gonna click panel on this left side because I'm creating a panel this time. I'm not be creating a dock. So it's panel, and go to appearance. So let's make it small, make the length a little bit small. Okay, this will work. Let's bring it down a little bit. Okay, this will work. Now let's go to the background, and let's turn down the opacity like this, then radius 100%. Yeah, we're pretty much done here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back and right click on this top panel and click add widgets. I'm gonna type system, and I'm gonna take the system tray widget and put it on the right side. Okay, so once that is done, what else? Let's add a clock, digital clock. Let's put it on the right side as well. That looks fine. Now application launcher, application menu, which one should I use? Let's go with this one. How's this one? Okay, this one looks alright. So the goal is to make a clean desktop because I don't like it when there's too much going on the desktop. So let's just remove this right panel here, which is the old panel. So I'm gonna go edit panel, right click, remove panel, and I don't need that panel now. So we're done with the dock, and let's just install some themes. So I'm gonna go to the system settings, and here I'm gonna go to the global themes. I'm gonna go get new global themes, and I'm gonna search for harmony. Press enter and scroll down, and I'm gonna install this one, and let's just install this one. So my internet connection is a little bit slow, that's why it is taking a little bit more time than I expected. Okay, so it asked for my password, so I'm gonna just type my password. So let's wait for this other one to install. So it asked for my password again, so I'm gonna type my password, press OK, and it should be installed now. Okay, so once that is done, I'm gonna try this one first. Let's see how it is. Okay, this isn't too bad. Let's try this one. I think these both are the same. Okay, so this is the final theme, harmony. So I'm going to go to the plasma style and make sure that harmony is selected. Let's go to the application style. So under the application style section, I'm going to go to the window decorations, and I'm going to select harmony, which is already selected. So I'm going to go back and go to the colors, and I'm going to select harmony dark. Okay, so let's go to the icons now. Icons, and from here I'm going to go to the get new icons, and I'm going to search for MUSE. So I'm going to just install this icon pack over here, click install, and I'm going to go for the second one, and I hope this installs the icons faster this time because my internet connection seems to be very slow right now. Oh, it's done. Okay, so let's close that, and so I'm going to choose this one, click apply, and I think the icons are changed now. Yes, so we're done here. So I'm gonna go back, and cursors, you can install some cursors as well, but I'm not gonna do that because I am satisfied with what I have right now. So this is pretty much it. Okay, so here in startup and shutdown, I'm gonna choose Harmony, click apply, password, press enter, and yeah, this is it. Nothing here. Go to the splash screen, Harmony. Okay, so this is all right. So let's close that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some applications on the dock over here so that it doesn't look so empty. So let's first remove the clock over here because I don't like it. Let's just remove the clock, and let's start adding some applications. So guys, I'm just basically adding some applications on the dock. I think this will work. Let's just finally add the terminal. Okay, so I have added some application on the dock. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to the terminal, change the look of the terminal. So right click, edit current profile, go to the appearance, go to get new, and I'm going to search for Harmony. So let's install Harmony. Let's install these other ones as well, and I will see which one looks the best. So let's go to Harmony and let's see how this one looks. This one looks pretty alright. Let's go to edit and turn up the background transparency, click apply, and this looks pretty good now. Yep, this will work, I think. Click OK and click apply again, click OK. So I'm done customizing the terminal. This looks alright. So what I'm gonna do now is right click, edit dock, and I'm gonna move this the digital clock in the middle because I don't like it there. And I'm gonna right click, not right click actually, go to the system tray settings, and I'm going to hide a few icons so it looks very clean now. Okay, so let's go to the file manager, and so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this file manager transparent. So I'm going to customize this file manager. So I'm going to close this and go to the browser now, and I'm going to search for Harmony kvantum. Go to store.kde, and I'm going to scroll down, go to files, and download harmony.zip. Download the file. Okay, so once I have done that, let's close it. Now let's go to the software center, and from here I'm gonna search for kvantum, and I'm gonna install kvantum manager. So click install, put my password, press OK. So it's gonna download the kvantum manager, which I'm gonna use to install the Harmony theme, which will change the look of the file manager. So I'm gonna search for kvantum now. So let's go to kvantum manager, and first of all let's go to the downloads folder. In the downloads folder, let's just quickly extract this harmony.zip file that I have just downloaded. So I'm gonna right click, extract to, select, okay. So I have extracted that, so let's close that. Now in the kvantum manager, I'm gonna select kvantum theme folder and go to downloads, and I'm gonna select Harmony, click OK, and I'm gonna click install this theme. And from here I'm gonna go to change or delete themes and select Harmony, click on use this theme, and that is it. Let's close that. Now let's go to the file manager, and nothing has changed yet because I have to do a little settings in the system settings. So I'm gonna go to the application style and I'm gonna select kvantum dark, and let's close that and let's do it again. And as you can see, the file manager is transparent now. So yeah, this looks pretty good. By the way, I will change the look of this window right here, but let's just quickly install a wallpaper now. Okay, so let's go to the get new wallpaper and I'm gonna click on the most downloaded first. Okay, so let's look for a suitable wallpaper that's gonna suit the theme that I have right now. Okay, so let's install this one. Click install. Okay, so it's done. Let's close it and look for the wallpaper that I have just downloaded, which is this one. Click apply. This will work. Okay, so I have done most of the things. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rearrange the layout over here. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hide this one and then right click on the toolbar and unlock the toolbar and then remove it on the left side, then right click again, then text position and click icons only. So this looks a lot cleaner now. Okay, so let's not show previews. Okay, I don't need this one. Okay, so right click and configure toolbars. Let's not have the expanding spacer. I don't need that. Click apply and it looks a lot cleaner now and organized. So yeah. Okay, finally let's add a clock widget. So let's go to the widgets and I'm gonna go get new widgets and now download something, I mean a clock. So I'm gonna download split digital clock, install. So once that is done, click add widgets, clock, split digital clock, and I'm gonna put it in the middle and I'm gonna right click, customize layout, sorry about that, customize layout, and I'm gonna make this clock look a little bigger. Okay, so this looks nice. Let's make it a bit smaller. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay, so the last thing that I can do is go to add widgets and go to virtual desktop and add the virtual desktop over here and create a few virtual desktop. So I'm gonna type virtual. Okay, so virtual desktop. Let's add a few virtual desktop, like 3. Okay, 3 would work, and I'm gonna put it on the right side here. Okay, so this looks pretty fine for me. Okay guys, so this is it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video, and if you did, then you can subscribe and give it a like. I will really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next video. So yeah, keep supporting my work and what I'm doing here, and I will see you in the next video. So let's go to the terminal now. So let's do something over here. What can I do over here? Sudo kde install new fetch. So yeah, this is pretty much it, I guess. By the way guys, let me tell you one more thing before I end the video, and that is in the system settings, if you don't find options here in under the colors or under the plasma style, you can just click on get new color schemes, and from here you can just type, sorry about that, Harmony, and you can just install it for yourself. And guys, one more last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the application style and go to configure gnome GDK, and from here I'm gonna download a new GDK theme and look for Harmony here as well. And I'm gonna download, let's see which one I'm gonna, and I'm gonna download Harmony Dark. So what this will do, it will change the look of the applications running on your, so let's go ahead and close that and select Harmony Dark. Now let's open an application like calculator, and here I'm gonna click apply, and as you can see, the calculator theme has changed, and this looks way a lot eye pleasing, I would say. So yeah, this is it. This was the last thing that I had to show you. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.